Hey everybody, welcome to the Canter Fire Truck Series. So in this video, you guys are going to see the process of us installing our windows and hatches and doors and so forth.
So this was made to go like up through 1.5 inch or 2 inch thick wall. So I'm just going to give a test fit with these longer screws and see exactly where that drops that trim.
Just like the electrical process on the truck, we go through the DOT inspection to make sure it meets the egress requirements to be classified as a recreational vehicle. Also, when we go to install these windows are made for specific depths and sizes and so forth, and we also have extremely thick walls, so a lot of times we have to custom fabricate the trim rings that have to go into these. So it's a little time consuming, and you'll see that through the video that there's a lot of attention to detail.
What's going to be hard though is there's 3 sheets of metal to go through here.
Even the smallest amount of metal that has to be trimmed out around the windows make it fit, because these trucks are going to expand and contract just like any other object out there. Once it gets hot, the metal's going to want to expand. Once it gets cold, it wants to contract. So we need that spacing to be perfect, because if it does bind, it could cause an issue for opening a window. It could cause a sealment issue, and we don't want to have any leaks.
So here's what I want you to do. I want you to leave a little bit around, about the size of a quarter. You know, just a little bit around on the inside corner.
So we'll take extra due diligence and caution to make sure that we do exactly everything the way it's supposed to be done, and also again that it meets the DOT requirements so it can pass the inspection.
Close. I mean, it's right on the...
Do you have any more of that black Sika?
Yeah, I found a tube of it in there.
Awesome.
Here, pull it back in a little bit. There you go.
Check behind that, those clothes right there. Wow, he's good. It's really tight. Yeah, that's perfect. It's the metal. Just put that right on top there and we'll see how they. All right. See if taking that out and taking out
The opposite side.
the opposite side, or taking that one out and not even using the tops and letting this have some play inside.
This will allow this side to come down and the other side to go up.
That's it right there. Right, now snap that one up. Now look. Now you're better.
Isn't that neat? Open up your window. That's a tiny window. You ain't gonna climb out of it, but
So if you have any questions about any of the products we've used, leave a comment in the comment section below the video and we'll get back to you with the product details.